Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. Today I'm showing you how to turn on commenting on your Facebook posts. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon at the top right, then go to your profile at the top. Now scroll down to any post on your timeline that you want to enable comments for. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post. From the menu, select who can comment on this post. If you can't see the option, tap on Edit Privacy. Now select Public and tap on the Save button below. After that, refresh the page and tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post again and select who can comment on this post. Here, you'll see different privacy options for who can comment on your post. This is where you control your Facebook comment settings. Select Public to allow anyone on Facebook to comment on your post. Then tap Done to save the changes. That's it. Your post now has commenting enabled for everyone. If you want to turn on comments for other posts, simply repeat these same steps for each post individually. And that's how you enable commenting on Facebook posts. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides. Drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.